Hey there, adventurers! Are you ready for an amazing winter trek? Let me tell you about the Kedarkantha Trek, the queen of winter treks. It's in a beautiful place called Uttarakhand in India. This 5-day adventure takes you up to 12,500 feet high. Imagine walking through snowy paths, thick forests, and sparkling streams. It all leads to the awesome Kedarkantha peak. Let's get into the details. Your journey starts in Sankri. You'll hike 20 kilometers over 5 days. If you're new to trekking, don't worry. This trek is easy to medium, perfect for beginners. Why is Kedarkantha so popular? Well, you get amazing views of the Himalayas, including peaks like Gangotri, Bandapunch and Yamunotri. It's like magic, especially in winter when everything is covered in snow. It's perfect for taking pictures and for anyone who loves being outside. Getting to Kedarkantha is easy. Fly into Dehradun or take a train from Delhi. From Dehradun, it's an 8-hour drive to Sankri. Then your trekking adventure begins. Here's the plan. Day 1. Drive from Dehradun to Sankri. Day 2. Hike from Sankri to Kedarkantha, a peaceful lake surrounded by trees. Day 3. Hike to Kedarkantha base camp. The views get even better here. Day 4. The big day. Hike to Kedarkantha peak and back to Kedarkantha. This is the hardest part, but it's so worth it. Day 5. Hike back to Sankri and drive to Dehradun, remembering your amazing adventure. When should you go? Kedarkantha is open almost all year. Winter, from November to March, is when you'll see all the snow. Spring has snow and beautiful flowers. Summer is sunny with fewer people, and after the rainy season, from September to November, everything is fresh and colorful. Here are some tips. Bring good hiking shoes, warm clothes, and a first aid kit. It's really important to hire a guide. They'll help you find your way and get the right permits. There aren't many places to stay in Sankri, so book ahead of time, especially during busy times. The food on the trek is simple but good, and many trips include meals. One last thing, be a good traveler. Don't leave any trash, respect nature, and enjoy this beautiful journey. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, get your boots ready, and get ready for the best winter trek in India. See you on the trails. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel videos. Happy trekking!